Okay. So, hello, good morning, traders. I'm just logging to our advanced room, and I invite Mr. Kyriakos in our session. We have already 1 month or even more sessions together every Wednesday at this time. So, hello, how are you?
I'm great. Pretty busy today, but that's good. How about
Yeah,
you? How's everything?
Yeah, I'm satisfied with the beginning of the day. I'm trading from yesterday. I'm trading mainly cryptos. Uh, the
Yeah,
the cryptos are doing the work. I must say they're moving much better than other instruments. At least I found better setups on cryptos than on other instruments. I'm trading at the moment one. I have still one trade on Bitcoin. It's slightly on minus, but I already closed in the morning one nice long position. This is position from yesterday. And why I'm trading Bitcoin, why I believe that this is a bullish market, I'll explain it just in a moment. Let me, maybe I'll hide this trade just to show what's happening on the charts. Um, and yesterday, or let's say today in the midnight, we had a candle which looks very bullish. It's a bullish pin bar. What more, if we take a closer look on 1 hour chart, we can find that market is drawing somehow some kind of a channel. Is it a channel? Yeah, we can call it a channel, or maybe it's a flag. And look, that this is a bullish flag. Bullish flag means that why we call it bullish, because usually, statistically, the breakout happens to the top of the pattern. And I believe that because also of this nice divergence here, the divergence which I have here looks like that. We can see that the divergence began somewhere here on this green bar. And this bullish candle shows us that this demand zone is absolutely rejected, means that the buyers were just waiting for the market to hit it, and we have such a bullish candle. So I believe there will be more bullish price action. Uh, of course, this top of this flag, or let's call it resistance of this channel, is a bit risky. It means that if they hit it, we don't know what will happen here. Is it gonna be broken, or maybe they'll make a pullback? This is a question. We never know, especially knowing that already 3 times this level was rejected. Maybe they'll reject it once more. But if there is a breakthrough, wow, there'll be a really huge move, maybe even to this trend line. So I'm generally bullish on Bitcoin. I closed a lot of trades on Bitcoin recently. Uh, mainly, all of those were long positions. Look, only here I have 4 positions. From yesterday, I closed 5 long positions on Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3, 4, and today was the last 5. So I still am bullish. I think that looking at all the other instruments, Bitcoin is giving the best signals. I know that cryptos, markets, people are looking at cryptos a bit with they are suspecting that it's a tricky thing. It's a virtual money, it's a scam, it's not regulated. But if you trade on MetaTrader, if you trade on contracts for difference, so you don't invest your money to a exchange, crypto exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, you don't risk that someone will steal the money. Okay, so trading on contracts for difference is safe because you buy and sell on a broker which you believe he is a legal broker. If you do it on a crypto exchange, you always take the risk that there will be a hacker who will steal your money. That's the difference. That's why I stopped trading on spot market, where I was buying real Bitcoin, I was selling real Bitcoin, and now I'm trading on the contract of difference, which because it's very very universal. You can buy, you can sell, you can close it any time without any fee, extra fee. If you sell a Bitcoin on Binance, they will take a fee from you. If you want to transfer the Bitcoin to fiat money, to dollars or euro, you'll pay another fee. Then you pay a fee to the credit card because if you want to pay it back. There are so many, middlemen on the way which take money from you if you make a contract. Here you can buy, you can sell, no fee, no. That's absolutely the best solution at the moment, in my opinion. Especially that you can jump out from the trade anytime you wish, and you can also get into it. And of course, it's noted 7 days, 24 hours per day. So the whole week you can trade cryptos on the MetaTrader platform. That's why I started trading cryptos more and more intensively. And this is the one of the trades which I really, really like. And another one, I see Danushka is writing on the chat. Can we say we have a bullish flag on BTC daily chart? Daily, okay, let's see daily. This is the question from our chat. Bullish flag. Well, I don't know how I would. Maybe, yes, maybe we can draw something like this. And let's move it parallelly. Something like this. Yeah, it looks a bit like a bullish flag, but I think it's too early to treat it as a flag. They should hit once more the bottom, then we could say, yes, this is a bearish flag. Yeah, but now it's a bit too early to call it a flag, I think. So what more? Bitcoin is, in my opinion, at the moment, one of the interesting instruments to trade. I hope that they will close my trade on a profit. I have my take profit above this supply zone, but still believe that it might go even higher. And I was also discussing today the Solana. Solana is also a very interesting moment. We see a very irregular channel. We saw the market break down, and it took nearly a day. It was really a test for the patience, for the traders' patience, because when I saw this small bullish pin bar, and I saw MACD going bullish, I said, wow, they are coming back, and then I can target the top of this channel. And look, luckily I didn't open this long position, and they went down. Now I'm waiting. Just what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for another green bar here. If on the MACD I will see a bullish bar. What they need is just break this 211, let's say, dollars per one token. Then there's a chance they'll pull back here they will test this channel from the bottom. But of course, we need to wait for the candle to close. We need to be patient, because this candle, even if I make it bigger, maybe it's easier to see it. If they break above this green line, MACD goes green, and this is a signal to buy. Okay, but what if they go up, initially changing MACD to green, but after 2 hours, because the candle will close in 2 hours and 47 minutes, they go back. They can do something like they did yesterday, a trick, up and then down. And then I am in a problem. That's why I'm waiting for the candle to close. As long as it's not closed, I'm not trading it. Because there could be something like this. They'll go up and then rapidly go down. And I'm more interested in buying here than now. But if this candle is closed and it's closed above it and it stays green, then okay, then we can start buying. So here we need to be patient. We need to wait for the candle to close. As long as it's not closed, I think that it's not the moment to go long. That's my idea on Bitcoin and on Solana. Regarding Ethereum, no idea. Ethereum is really very difficult to trade. We have on the Ethereum an inside bar pattern. The market is still in the range of the pattern. Will they break the bottom? I don't know. Will they break the top? I don't know. As long as they don't break out, I'm not trading it, especially that we have here a very strong resistance, which became a support. So as long as there are not below this support, it's a bullish market, yes. But from the other point of view, if we see that we have a double top here, it might be that they will break the bottom and then they can go here. So I'm waiting for a breakout. If they break this inside bar, they stay below, MACD goes red, then I think that selling makes sense to 3,461 or something like this. That's my idea on Ethereum. So I would say Bitcoin bullish. Solana, we need to wait a bit. And Ethereum, no idea at the moment. This is not enough for me to make a sell. I need a breakout from this pattern. This is weekly chart, so we have still 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So definitely a patience is needed here. But Solana I think Solana will give us an answer quick, faster. It will give us an answer in 2 hours and 45 minutes what we should do here. And Bitcoin, I'm just long on it and waiting for another move up, at least to the top of this flag. So that's all what I would like to say about Bitcoin. And also maybe we could take a look at the calendar. Let me take a look here. I need to open this. Yeah, here's the calendar. Because today they are not, the calendar is rather empty. I would say I wouldn't pay much attention to this, what we see in the calendar at the moment. But tomorrow is interesting day. We have the Swiss National Bank interest rate decision. That's why I'm really interested in this, what happened tomorrow on the Swiss franc. I have a long position on Swiss francs, and I'm waiting for more decisions from the Swiss National Bank. By the way, for those who are watching us on the YouTube, you see that if you open the XM site, you have a lot of possibilities here. You can find a lot of interesting things. You can use the copy trading system. There are some competitions. We are preparing a new competition, as I saw, about the price of gold. We'll be guessing price of gold, and there'll be some nice rewards. We have also a lot of tools. We have news where we can watch what's happening this day. We can also watch the educational videos, webinars, and live education, which is this what we are doing now. So if you go if you register to XM, you have possibility to watch live sessions in beginners room, which are for traders who just start with trading. And this is also a live session. Here's one of our experts. You can go to advanced room, where you will find Mr. Kyriakos and me. So as you see, all those things are for the members of XN. That's why we are showing this on YouTube, so you can see what are the possibilities of our site. That's I would say that's all what I see at the moment on the market to trade. Maybe Euro USD. I have a pending order for a sell. It was a pending order for a breakthrough of this support. I think that there's a big chance for the market to go lower because when I look at higher time frames, look at the MACD. MACD starting from 1 minute up to weekly is all bearish. If it's bearish, it is difficult to go long, yeah, when I see so bearish mode. And I think that's all. What about you? Do you have anything interesting? I know that you like some more, let's say, hardcore scalping. Maybe do you have something at the moment opened? Can you show us something?
Sure. Yeah. So basically, we we got yesterday the XRP. No, that was from today. XRP buys, and I also got US 100 buys. They are not scalping. They are more of intraday. Let me show you guys.